Hey guys, what's going on? Damas here from KDP Tech, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get a virtual machine on your operating system. Now, we have made a video before on how to do this, but it's quite old, so I'm just going to update it and yeah. So first of all, you want to go into the link in the description below. It's right here as well if you want to write it down. And basically it's called VirtualBox, and it's basically a program that runs virtual machines inside of it. So you want to go on the link, and then here you want to click on whatever OS you are using. So I'm using Windows, so I'll just click that, and it'll begin to download VirtualBox. This will take around a minute depending on your OS and how good your computer is. So mine's pretty good, so it takes around a minute. So I'll be back with you guys when this has finished downloading.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, so it has finished downloading, so all you want to do is open it and click run. Now you click next, and since I've already got it running, I'll just and since I've already installed it, I don't need to do this, but since I want to show you guys how to do this, I'll remove it and install it again.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so I've just uninstalled it, so now I'm going to install it again. So all you need to do is go on here, do whatever you want, put it wherever you want. I'm going to put it here. Create start menu entries, don't check that and don't check that, and the rest should be fine. Click yes, install, and it should install it. So I will be back when this installs, but there should appear an administrator permission thing, so you need to accept that, otherwise it cannot install. So I'll just show you how to do it. As you see, it comes up, press yes, does all the things. But yeah, I'll be back when it's finished. Okay guys, so it has finished installing, so now just tick that and press finish. And it should open. So now click file, wait no, ignore that, click new, and try and type in what you're going to be doing. So I'm going to be using Windows 10 64-bit, so I'll just it should automatically select the one that you need, but if it doesn't, you can just manually select it here and put it where you want it to go. So I'm just going to select where it needs to go, which will be here, and click next. Now the recommended amount is 2048, so I recommend you to leave it there, but I'm just going to bump mine up a bit. You do not have to do this, this is completely your option, but you should just leave it at this number. Next, just leave it on create a virtual hard disk now, and select VHD, dynamically allocated, and select what you need and what you feel you need. So I'm going to stick with 50 gigabytes because I'm not going to be using this for much. I'll just might use this for another video, so I'm just going to create that. And as you see, we've made it, but it will not work yet because as you see, if we start it up, there is nothing in this drive. So as you see, there's nothing to run, so we need to close this. Power off machine, and this is where getintopc.com comes in. So the link will be in the description, and once you get on here, just click operating systems and find what you need. So since I'm doing Windows 10, I'm just going to click this one and press download 64-bit. make sure you are using the one that you selected here. I selected 64-bit, same as this one, so I am downloading Windows 10 64-bit. Now it will come here, and as you see, it will make you download it, and some take longer than others, and also it depends on your computer. Now I'm not going to download this since I already have it downloaded, but yes, now once it downloads, you just need to click settings, storage, empty, and click this button here. Choose virtual optical disk and find where you have saved or downloaded it. So mine is right here, so I'll just select that, click OK, and now you have finished making your virtual machine. It should work when you press start, but you might want to edit some things first to your personal needs, but mine's fine, so that. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. Your support really helps us. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time in the next video.